Hello everyone, I am Khushi Verma, an MBBS intern, and I will be the host of this podcast.
Hello everyone, myself Harsh Mishra, and I'm the co host of this podcast. Welcome to the very first episode of Medcast, the official podcast of Santosh deemed to be university.
Ever wondered if there's a source of medical information which is accurate and actually fun?
To kick off this exciting journey, we are honored to be joined by Dr. Rajiv Ahluwalia, who is the Dean Student Welfare of Santosh deemed to be university.
Dr. Ahluwalia is a distinguished academician, an advocate for student-centric learning, and a visionary leader who has been instrumental in shaping medical education with a progressive outlook. So, how did the concept of Medcast evolve? Where did the idea come from?
Thank you so much, Khushi, for that, I would say, flattered or a flattery introduction. I'm very, humbled by it. And coming to your question, how, the concept came, I think over the past 2-3 months, lot of all of you and many students, have been approaching me that, sir, हमें एक podcast start करना है. So, and my knowledge about the podcast also has been, not very deep. So maybe I've been watching podcasts, medical related podcasts, fun podcasts. And before I could realize, I started watching them more and more. So then it started hitting me कि जो students कह रहे हैं वो थोड़ा, it could be the correct way. And also, we've been thinking for a long time. We're a 30-year-old health university. We're a pure healthcare, science university. And a lot of good work has been done here. A lot of brilliant work is going to happen here. So why not we share it with the world, why not we share with all the global citizens so that everybody benefits out of it, basically about the healthcare system. So there's a little story to it actually. So while all this was going on in my mind and the students were approaching, one day I was just outside my office and I heard some postgraduates, talk about a seminar which they attended. And, they were just saying कि, one-to-one बात करके बड़ा मजा आया, and it was very good. They got more involved in the seminar. And it was not that somebody is presenting and you're listening. It was a conversation. It was a conversation, yeah. So then I thought that these conversations can be taken forward. And, I suggested this idea to the university and management, and we got a lot of support. And as you all know, and as you all have been working hard, it took us around 2 months to reach here. Yeah, so that's how the concept was, it started.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Sir, why Medcast? What is the mission behind it?
Again, I've been, trying to see many healthcare podcasts. The top 5 rated podcast, and even I saw a little bit that there is a lacuna or there's a gap with the Indian healthcare podcasts. So मुझे कोई इतना अच्छा मिला नहीं. So I thought that as a healthcare university, if we start a podcast, it will take into consideration the patients, what the patients want to know, what the doctors feel, and especially there is no podcast which is student-centric. Now student-centric, what I mean is that in any field, students are the future. And there is only a global future now. So a student-centric podcast hopefully should help the audience more. That's what I feel.
Students' point of view is also important.
Absolutely.
The existing medical podcasts. So, what sets Medcast aside? What
क्योंकि
is
sir-
the more unique about it?
सर मेडकास्ट जो भी पॉडकास्ट होते हैं मेडिकल पॉडकास्ट वो बहुत बोरिंग होते हैं.
Exactly. No student wants to click on it and learn about a particular topic.
So I want to put back the question to you two only. What do you think is going to put Medcast, apart from others? Because it's student driven. So I feel personally that it's the student's viewpoint, it's the student's participation in this Medcast, which is going to give it a new turn, because you all want to know what a student would want to hear, and you all are in touch with the patients, at the grassroots level. You all go for your rural, camps to the villages in India. So India has a very diverse population, very diverse health issues, and so we have to delve into all that.
Sir, what all to expect in future episodes of Medcast?
Future episodes is something which, again, the students have to see that it should cover a topic which is there's a gap of information, which is at the same time interesting to hear, and everybody benefits out of it. Now, this could be related to a disease per se. This could be related to any
Real life experiences
real
of that
life
scenarios.
consultant.
As I see, there are a lot of stress amongst the population, especially among the young generation. So I feel these are going to be the key issues, at least in the upcoming podcasts.
The most trending issues.
Yeah. So in the coming episodes, I think what we can expect or what we should be doing is new advances, which are in the healthcare field. Definitely the AI and how it's going to affect our healthcare system, how it's going to affect the healthcare givers and also the patients. Then another thing which is high on our focus is breaking myths. Breaking myths, for example, कि डॉक्टर साहब हम दांत निकालने के ना निकालने से साइड वीक हो जाती है. Like really simple things like this, which are even commonly asked to us even by educated patients. And of course, going into the rural of the country, there's a lot of quackery, I suppose, which is still going on. So this will only go away if we educate our rural population.
Awareness is important.
Yes, awareness is important to the, last person. So this is our endeavor, and I hope with your support, we'll be successful in this. And in fact, I would suggest our viewers to also kind of, suggest to us what they would want us to talk on, and we'll take that also forward. I presume that is the way it should work.
Everybody can suggest, and please put it down in the comment section. So if you're ready to think, laugh and learn about new things, please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media.
Like और comment करना मत भूलना.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.